Before you leave, let me tell you about some additional services we offer.
Okay, what do you have?
First, we have GPS navigation systems for £8 per day.
I have Google Maps on my phone, so I don't think I need that.
That's fine. What about a dashcam? It's £5 per day and can be very useful if there's an accident.
Interesting. How does it work?
It records everything that happens in front of the car while you're driving. If there's an accident, the footage can prove who was at fault.
Does that affect my insurance claim?
It can help, especially if the other driver disputes what happened. We've had cases where dashcam footage saved customers thousands of pounds.
Okay, I'll take the dash cam. What else?
We offer roadside assistance premium for £6 per day. This includes free towing up to 100 miles, tire changes, and a replacement car if yours breaks down.
Isn't that included normally?
Basic roadside assistance is included, but that only covers towing to the nearest garage. Premium gives you more comprehensive coverage.
I think basic is fine for me. What about car seats for children?
Yes, we have infant seats, toddler seats, and booster seats, all £5 per day. Do you need one?
No children with me this time. Is there anything else?
Just one more thing. Toll road coverage. If you plan to use toll roads, we can set up automatic payment for £3 per day, plus the actual toll costs.
Where are the toll roads in the UK?
Mainly the M6 toll in the Midlands, some bridges, and the Dartford crossing near London.
I might use the M6 toll. How much does it cost normally?
About £7 to £9 depending on the time. With our service, we pay it automatically and charge your card later.
That's convenient. I'll take that service.
Perfect. So that's dashcam and toll coverage. That adds £8 per day to your rental.